Hello, Chef here. I've been rocking this Kasumi titanium in a lot of the videos, and I'm a big fan of Kasumi. They make really nice stuff. So here we go. The knife's dull now. I'm using a few things. First of all, recycled paper. I like when companies recycle. It's nice. You can see the knife's cutting, but not easily. Okay? I'm going to put it through a couple quick tests here with the clip. Put the guide clip on the knife. Add a little bit of water to my whetstone. Just a little bit is all you need. From the heel to the tip. Repeat. Yep, I'm halfway done. I'll rinse that stone off. That's a 3,000. I'm moving to the 8,000. Okay, and I'm going to repeat. Okay, give it a little rinse. Yeah, lots of metal coming off of there. Well, minimal metal and the correct angle. Wipe it off. I'm all done. Get all the goods at your sponsor right there. Oh, that piece of recycled paper that was kind of hard to cut glides right through now. Yeah, very easy cuts. That's what I'm looking for. Get the good stuff at your sponsor right there. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah. It's going to be good. Have a great day. Kasumi titanium. Possibly the most perfect watermelon knife. Perfect, precise cuts every time. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Learn more at your sponsor right there. Oh yeah, get cooking and have a great day. I love butcher block. Yeah, this is end grain maple. You can see it's ready for some more oil. This is edge grain cherry. It's been oiled once and then it's been sealed at the factory. It's really, really nice. I like it. And this one here, this is edge grain maple. So different looks and different sizes, different thicknesses. Edge grain has certain applications, end grain has certain applications. They're all on sale at your sponsor right there. In stock and quick shipping, you're gonna love it. By the way, this is an authorized dealer with over 50 years of combined experience in butcher block. So I suggest you shop with the experts. Get the best the first time. That's my motto. Get the best the first time. Beautiful stuff. Look at that. Nice. A couple of things about basil. First of all, they really like wood chips. You need to put wood chips around your basil and do it year after year. Incorporate some compost and some layers of dirt and add the wood chips. When you pick basil, don't pinch it. You hear people saying, oh, I'm going to go pinch some basil. You're going to bruise the plant. Use a pair of scissors. Take the basil you're looking for, like maybe this leaf, or maybe this leaf. Oh yeah, they're looking really, really good. The finished loaves. cooling rack. Wow. What do you think of those? To apply mystery oil. Give it a shake. A little bit of beeswax and mineral oil, some other good stuff in here. I like it. First application, just like this. Swirl motion. Yeah. Okay, once you got the swirl motion down, plastic bag. Why? Because it's recyclable and it's not flammable. I would not use cloth. It'll absorb too much and it becomes flammable. Oh, look at that block. Really, really nice. You can see all the hard work has paid off just with the look and the color. Oh, yeah. If you need one of these blocks, contact your sponsor. If you need the butcher block treatment. Okay, I'm in the kitchen. I've got this fresh basils looking really, really nice there. I've got a razor sharp knife. You're wondering just how sharp this is, right? Yeah. Always good to start with a very sharp knife. In one of the kitchens with one of these cutting boards, and almost every week or bi-weekly, people ask me, Chef, how do you clean that cutting board? So that's what I'm gonna touch on here right now. So this is a rock maple board. It's reversible. It's 20 by 15 by 2 1/4, and it's one of these. Really good quality here. I like it. This one's been used for a long, long time, maybe more than 6 or 7 years, I think. So as it gets dirty, we're using the bench scraper to scrape it off, just like this. Any residue that's left, you can just put on a paper towel and you can see it right there. Okay, towel dry it, that's good. All right. Tell by looking at this, the board's getting a little bit dry. It's ready for an application of mystery oil. There's another product, a little thicker, that has a little more beeswax. That's the board cream. Good stuff. Shake it up. I've got more tricks. Watch some of the other videos, more tricks with this too. We shake it up, we put it on in a swirling motion like this. Okay, and we use a plastic bag because it can be recycled, and I don't want any fire hazard or anything around, floating around, any used product. Plastic bag, recycle. Circular motion like this. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm almost done. All right, so that's it. This surface has been treated. You can do the sides if you'd like. and you're ready to continue your work or your prep or your cooking on this side. Oil this side about a week later, or even the next day. Oh, this end grain surface is very similar. Same thing. Bench scraper. Give it a little scrape. Remove any food particles or dirt that might be on there. Oh yeah, look at all that. Some of this is spices, by the way, okay? This is good to go. Yeah, and now you repeat with a little bit of this magical mystery oil. Just a little bit like this. Plastic bag, recyclable. Swirling motion. There, oh yeah, looking good. That surface is treated and it's ready to go. I would repeat this at least monthly. Thanks for watching. Subscribe right there. Smash that little like button so other people find the videos. Get cooking and have a beautiful day. Oh yeah, it's looking really, really good. Check out the huge selection at your sponsor. Edge grain, end grain, maple, cherry, walnut, big blocks, small blocks, countertops, island tops, cutting boards, and many, many other wood products and applications. Thanks for watching. With this glove on, you have full protection. No cuts, no issues. I like it, it works, and wow, it protects. That's what it's all about, safety. Yeah, made in America, made in USA, only at your sponsor right there. Yeah, check it out. Get cooking. Have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Check it out. They do custom sizes. They do edge grain, end grain, maple, walnut, cherry, islands, counters, tables, cutting boards, chopping blocks, and these babies last for a long, long time. This one here is at least 20 years used. You can see just how nice it is. The patina, the quality, wow. I like it. And it's a pleasure to chop on. Yeah. Visit your sponsors. So you're in the market for maple countertops. Why not go with the best the first time? Select solid rock maple, full rails, or blended North American hard rock maple is ideal for a countertop surface, islands, tables, backsplashes. Buy the best the first time and choose food-safe Varnique finish or natural mineral oil. Check it out at your sponsor. Wow. Check out the sponsor, All Things Butcher Block. As seen on TV and used by chefs and food service professionals around the world. Check it out at the sponsor. They're having a free shipping sale, and wow, it's the best.